Hey everyone! Today I'm unboxing the JBL Partybox 720 and giving you the full rundown so you'll be ready to steal the spotlight at your next event. Let's go! First things first, open your box and then put the Partybox in an upright position. Inside the box, you'll also find a quick start guide and a power cord. Power on your speaker. If it's your first time using it, Bluetooth pairing will start automatically. Once you're paired, you're set to unleash 800 watts of powerful sound. If you want to connect another device, press the Bluetooth button, locate the speaker on your device, and connect. Do you want to improve your audio quality? Connect your device with a USB-C or 3.5mm jack to the Partybox. Are you throwing a bigger party with even a DJ present? Hook up the DJ gear using the Jack-XLR 6 combo port. You can also use the combo port to plug in up to 2 microphones or even a guitar. Depending on your setup, toggle between mic in or line input. The Partybox 720 has an IPX4 rating, meaning it's resistant to short, light rain or nearby splashes of water. Be sure to dry the Partybox thoroughly within 30 minutes to prevent any potential damage. The Partybox 720 has multiple great control options. On the speaker, use the play button to pause or switch songs. Twist it to control the volume. Use the light show button to turn the lights off or on, or rotate it to match the exact vibe of your party. Press that bass boost button to really get the party going. Choose between deep or strong for an extra boost. Fine-tune your sound by adjusting microphone buttons. You can change the volume, bass, treble, and echo. There are also 3 customizable sound effect buttons.
Let's party!
Play some funky tunes. Or that classic record scratch. Download the JBL Partybox app to take full control. Use it to manage the light show, tweak mic settings, and adjust your EQ settings. Want to go bigger? If you've got other JBL Auracast enabled speakers, press the Auracast button to each one to sync them all up and fill your space with even more sound. If you've got 2 Partybox 720s, you can create a stereo pair. You can daisy chain multiple Partyboxes. Link them together going from the out on one Partybox to the in on another Partybox. When you're low on battery, you can charge your speaker as soon as the light indicator turns red to prolong your battery life. Simply plug in the power cord. Just 10 minutes of charging gives you up to 2 hours of playtime. Fully charged? Enjoy up to 15 hours of non-stop music. Or even better, get a dedicated charging station and 2 extra replaceable JBL Battery 600s, so you'll never run out of power. For your remote parties, where a power outlet is in short supply, the battery and case can function as a power bank and even charge your devices. And once you're done, you can protect your Partybox with the JBL Partybox 720 Partycover.